In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly the behind the scenes of my agency, exactly हमारी agency work कैसे करती है, क्या system है, क्या process है, क्या हम करते हैं, कितने members हैं, and how are we growing the sales of Amazon brands and sellers. So सबसे पहले हम 3 से 4 चीज़ें करते हैं Amazon के business में. We have around 5 to 6 हमारे पास employees हैं जो बेसिकली वी कॉल हिम एज अ टीम मेंबर्स जो अमेजोन का पूरा अकाउंट संभालते हैं फॉर द क्लाइंट्स दैट वी आर करंटली मैनेजिंग. एंड वन ऑफ द अकाउंट मैनेजर्स आर हैंडलिंग ओनली मैक्सिमम 3 to 4 अकाउंट्स on Amazon because we only work with sellers who are at least doing a really good business, at least 8 to 10 lakhs, ताकि हम उसको scale कर पाए with our expertise and our resources. So हमारे पास 6 members है जो Amazon advertising संभालते हैं. 2 are into creatives जो creatives के लिए बनाते हैं graphics, images, A+ content, and 2 people for SEO जो search engine optimization जो listings improve करते हैं clients की. So overall हमारे पास almost 8 to 10 people का mixture है. Alright, so the first thing once we start our day, the agency of Advertisingsaga, we first fill in this daily sheet of every client. For example, you can see right now we have filled the entire daily sheet, the spend, the ACOS and TECOS. It is updated every single day in the morning at 9 a.m. where we understand where is the client heading towards. For example, we know that okay, till now the client has done 24 lakhs in sales at 4% total ad cost, and his average sales are 110. He's doing a spend of 4,000 on a daily basis, and his projected sales are 33 lakhs. Projected spend is so much. What is the month-on-month growth? This is like from the last month we have grown approximately now 8%. So that is and this is their target tacos. That is what we look at. So this is like daily work where we do it for almost all the clients that we are working with. This gives us a good clarity exactly account में क्या हो रहा है and where we are going to reach in the September month. कुछ भी चीज overshoot हो रही है, undershoot हो रही है, we can control that. So that happens directly at 9 o'clock, and then we do a team meeting daily with all the team members. Here's a look at how we do it. You can see it over here. So this is my team member, Vineet. Then we have like other people. You can see everyone starts with showing their accounts to us and how they are performing. It's a cool system. So here's a look at our daily meetings that we do on the client. So this is Vineet, one of my team members. Then there's Alok, and then there are other people who talk about and show like the presentations about what they have been working on. There's Hamid where he's showing about other things that we are doing, and so we have the entire team members presenting things. There's Imtiaz, so everyone starts their video. They have a very good logo, like you can see Advertisingsaga, and we discuss what's happening on a daily basis for the accounts, what they are doing, how things are moving, and that's exactly how the morning meetings happen. So it starts from 9 to 9:15, where we fill the entire daily sheet of the client. We understand where the drop is coming, where you need to focus on, and then we have a team meeting which is headed by me, where all the account managers come together. The entire team comes together. We switch on our videos. We share where we are stuck, what help we need, and just presenting and showing how the client data is working and what's happening over there. All right. एंड वंस दे आर डन, जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाता है इनका प्रोसेस, उसके बाद वी स्टार्ट, जैसे आपका मीटिंग्स कंप्लीट हो गया, देन वी स्टार्ट विद द पुटिंग द एजेंडा. एवरी अकाउंट मैनेजर पुट्स द एजेंडा एग्जैक्टली टुडे व्हाट इज दे आर गोइंग टू बी देयर वर्क, which accounts they are working on, and exactly doing what exactly in the entire accounts with them. Right, you can see Alok, you can see Hamid, Vineet, sub log sharp 9:15 ko they will put their agenda for the day, exactly what is going to be their entire journey and what is going to be their entire day's task and what accounts are they going to work on. And then what happens is they start working on the accounts, everything, they will be completing their work, and at 7:15 they will be reporting back like this. इसको कहते हैं EOD, which is end of the day reporting. यहाँ पे exactly we teach, they will be writing every single thing that they have done in the entire day. क्या they have filled the daily sheet, उन्होंने WhatsApp पे clients की queries reply की, emails reply किया, like optimizations किया, कौन से clients के साथ किया, नहीं किया, meetings कौन से client के साथ की Zoom पे, strategies क्या क्या apply की, everything, very detailed report about each and everything that they have done in every account that they have worked, and overall description of the call. It's a very detailed report that they present at the 7 p.m. so that I completely know exactly what they are doing and where do they need help with. Same is with other members. You can see they have a completely very detailed report, which I don't think anyone in this entire agency in India is doing this level of work. Now, over and above that, we every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday and Saturday we have different things that they have to do on all the accounts to scale up the business. And you can see one of the things that we are doing is like optimizations every Monday. Optimization for bleeding keywords and high cost for every Monday. Then every Tuesday we do like portfolio shuffling. Wednesday we do something else. Thursday we do a keyword bleeder. So these are all the tasks that we do on each and every account every single week so that the accounts could scale up like very fast over and above what we do for the client things. Then every single client has a lot of meetings that we do with the clients. So there are 4 meetings that we do with every single client, which is once a week. And all the meetings that we do with the client are recorded. Like you can see every account manager is putting all the links of all the meetings that they have done. They have benchmarks, उनका KPIs होते हैं कि इतनी meetings आपको करनी ही पड़ेगी, उतने में से कितनी meetings की है, everything is there, right? So you can see one of the examples of one of the meetings that he did with the client. It is all recorded so that I can review and give him a proper feedback. How was the meeting and how did he do? You can see the meeting starts with the entire account manager explaining the entire data, discussing strategies with the account owners, and that's exactly कैसे हम agency को grow कर पा रहे हैं till now, right? The account, we take the detailed notes of each and every account which is there, right? And what is happening, what is their concern, and that's exactly how we go after, right? And this is how it is. And every client that you're working with, as soon as we complete the meeting with every client, जो भी meetings हमने discuss किया, we put it over here in this notes. Every client will have its own separate note. जैसे ये meeting कब हुई थी, meeting का link, exactly क्या top priorities हैं हमारी, what हमने last time क्या किया, report क्या decide की, exactly next 2 weeks में हम क्या करने वाले हैं, अगर हमको कोई ब्रांड से चाहिए, इस complete detail reporting and understanding, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम आफ्टर द कॉल व्हेन वी डू वी एग्जैक्टली नो कि कौन से एसेंस पे हमको काम करना है, क्या एग्जैक्ट काम करना है, एंड व्हाट हैज बीन डिस्कस्ड. सो एवरीथिंग इज वेरी मच डॉक्यूमेंटेड, सो यू नो, एंड द अकाउंट ओनर ऑल्सो नोज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू डू. यू कैन सी एवरी सिंगल टाइम, इवन इफ देयर इज अ फोन कॉल, वी हैव डन एवरी सिंगल रिपोर्टिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेक्स्ट 2 weeks वी आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन ऑल दीज एसेंस, एंड इसके पहले हमने क्या क्या किया. Every single thing you see is completely detailed, recorded and reported, so that nothing is missed out and the brand is able to understand what we are doing is documented, and then exactly how to scale from there, right? So this is the part of the meetings that we do with accounts, and every single meeting that is done is recorded, and you can see it's all uploaded over here, so that I can always go and check it out and see, if there's anything feedback that I need to give them to understand what they are doing, right? Apart from that, so there are 4 meetings per month with every account, and then we also have this reporting format which I'm going to share with you right now, which is the weekly up and down report. Now this is the weekly report that we are using right now for all the clients. So all the account managers, they show us a report on a weekly basis, exactly what is happening at. So I've just मैंने सिर्फ hide कर लिया है accounts के नाम basically. तो यहाँ पर वो बताते हैं exactly कि week on week, जैसे आप देख सकते हो date wise, कि क्या हो रहा है पूरे account में. You can see it right now over here कि ये पूरा history maintain करते हैं हम लोग, and all the account managers present to me the data. For example, week on week, the sales are improving or decreasing. Green means improving, red means decreasing. By how much percentage? For example, sales have improved by how much percentage? ACOS have decreased or increased by how much percentage? And ACOS, TACOS is improving or no. So it gives me an idea, and everyone an idea, that week on week are we improving or are we decreasing in terms of the sales and reporting. This is so important. And literally this is like one picture that I understand to see week on week account improve हो रहा है कि decrease हो रहा है for every single thing. And this is exactly what they do it every single Monday. They present this report to me. Then for every single client that is onboarded with us, we have this sheet with them. We create this sheet for every single client and we give it to them. This shows every single thing that we are discussing, whatever we need to focus on. Every single thing is written over here so that the account owners can exactly know where everything is there and what is going on in their entire account. Even for weekly reports, we create it over here and we share with the account owners over here to understand what is happening on a week on week basis. And you can see This is updated every single week so that we exactly know what is happening in the account, on a month-on-month basis and a week-on-week basis. And that's exactly how Advertising Saga works, and that's exactly how we are able to get results from the clients and this by doing such a detailed work, such a detailed reporting. And there are many other things that I yet have not given you, but this is how the entire agency works. So if you are a brand owner looking to scale your business to the next level and you want to work with us and our team of A players, then click the link below and watch our 20 minutes training and book a call with our team to see how we can help your business take to the next level when it comes to selling on Amazon. All right, that's it. This is Viral Jain signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.